What's going on, everyone? Jack here from Half Chrome, and this is the Radiomaster TX12, and it is the least expensive way that you can get into Express LRS with EdgeTX built in from the factory. That's right, this radio here is $100, and it has ELRS built in, and it's running the EdgeTX system. So let's talk about this radio and how it compares to some of the other really nice options coming out of Radiomaster. First comparison you need to think about is, do you want the TX12 or are you thinking about the Zorro? So we compare them side by side. In terms of size, they're comparable. The gimbals are the same. Now I've got upgraded gimbals on my Zorro here, so we can't really count that. We got a larger jog wheel. You know, it's just kind of the ergonomics of this kind of taller radio. Is this something you're looking for, or do you want a gamepad style remote like the Zorro here? Now the TX12 here is $99 with the ELRS EdgeTX version, but the ELRS EdgeTX version of the Zorro is $20 more. One complaint I have about the Zorro is these back grips come off too easily, so that is moderately annoying. That certainly isn't going to be the case with the TX12. This was redesigned with these rear grips here, a little bit larger, and I actually do really like that. Hall effect gimbals here on this TX12 are standard. They've updated the main board and MCU. We've got USB-C ports here and down here inside. Now I took out the included battery tray and put in a 2S for this video. So we got USB-C here. We did include an SD card, so that is really nice. In terms of switches, we got two sliders on the side, and they actually have really nice tension. Those were redesigned. Got a couple of buttons here, 3 position switches in the middle, 3 position switches on the top, the USB-C trainer port, and we do have a bay for a module, full-size bay. It did come with this 18650 battery tray, but I didn't have a couple of extra 18650s laying around charged, so that's why I'm not using it. You do, of course, get these stickers. EdgeTX ripping nuts. Appreciate that. You do also get this start guide. Now, how does it compare to, say, their premium radio, the TX16S? And actually, this isn't their premium, but this is kind of like their flagship model. This one, the TX16S, is going to be $200, and you can see I've actually changed my gimbal ends on here, as I did with my Zorro. And I could actually change the gimbal ends here on the TX12, and I may do that. They would be the same ones as you would get for the Zorro. These are also upgraded gimbals. I could upgrade these gimbals, the AG01, as well on the TX12 if I decided to. But this larger, definitely heavier radio has a lot more switches. It's got a little bit more heft to it. We got a touch screen, a color screen. This is a really nice radio, but again, it's going to be double the price of this TX12. You can see I put these blue switch covers on here that they also come from Radiomaster, and they come labeled. I've got turtle, buzzer, flight mode, and arm. I kind of keep that consistent with all of my drones, and I recommend you do too. So something you can pick up from Radiomaster along with the stick ends. 2 easy little upgrades if you're thinking about upgrading your radio. Yeah, so overall, this is a nice little radio. Radiomaster does make some other switches if you wanted to replace something. I guess this would probably work on the TX12, maybe even on the TX16. I don't know where I put these. I'm not going to add these switches. They sent them to me to show you that you have these options. And of course, if you're going to go with Express LRS, Radiomaster does also make some Express LRS receivers. They have the RP1 and RP2. So let's take a look at this RP1. Yes, it is a tiny little receiver. Express LRS just gives you such a good signal. They redesigned the antenna. They redesigned this board for better heat dissipation. They also added an LED and larger solder pads, so that's definitely a bonus. Now, if we look at the RP2 here, again, tiny little receiver, and we have this ceramic antenna on top. This is great for whoops, and they redesigned the solder pads and added an LED on this one as well. So 2 inexpensive, excellent receiver options coming right out of Radiomaster. So if you're thinking about buying a Radiomaster radio, we have some links down below. They are affiliate links, so they help support this channel. They don't cost you anything, but they will give us a tiny commission if you buy anything, whether it's a radio, stick ends, silicone, neck straps. They've got lots of really good stuff over at Radiomaster. So click one of those links if you're going to make a purchase, if you think I've earned it. If not, move on. That's fine. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to check us out on halfchrome.com and consider being a Patreon. Just another way to help support the channel and a great way to communicate with us. Good luck, everyone, and happy flying.